How to glow up in a month. In our quest for the perfect body and skin, we often forget about taking care of the one thing that ties it all together, our hair. Just like the rest of our bodies, our hair needs nutrients and care in order to stay healthy and look its best. While you can't change your hair type, there are some things you can do to make sure your hair is as healthy as it can be. Here are some tips on how to glow up in a month. Eat a balanced diet. This is important for your overall health, but it's also essential for keeping your hair healthy. Be sure to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Limit heat styling. Heat styling can damage your hair, so try to limit it to special occasions. If you do use heat styling tools, be sure to use a heat protectant. Use natural products. When you can, opt for natural hair care products. These are gentler on your hair and are less likely to cause buildup. Get regular trims. Getting your hair trimmed every 6 to 8 weeks helps to get rid of split ends and keeps your hair looking its best. 1. Exfoliate your skin regularly to get rid of dead skin cells and reveal brighter, glowing skin. If you want to know how to glow up in a month, the first step is to exfoliate your skin. This will help to get rid of any dead skin cells and reveal brighter, glowing skin. You should try to exfoliate your skin at least once a week. This can be done with a gentle scrub or exfoliating brush. Be sure to use circular motions and avoid scrubbing too hard, as this can irritate the skin. After you have exfoliated, it is important to moisturize your skin. This will help to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Try to find a moisturizer that contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin, as these can help to lock in moisture. In addition to exfoliating and moisturizing, you should also protect your skin from the sun. This can be done by wearing sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. You should also try to avoid spending too much time in direct sunlight. If you follow these steps, you should start to see a difference in your skin within a month. Your skin will be softer, smoother, and more glowing. 2. Use a face mask at least once a week to help improve your skin's overall appearance. There are a lot of face masks on the market, so how do you know which one to choose? A good place to start is by looking for face masks that are specifically designed to help improve the appearance of your skin. Once you've found a few that look promising, try them out to see which one works best for you. If you're not sure how often to use a face mask, start by using one at least once a week. You can always increase the frequency if you find that your skin is responding well to the treatment. When you use a face mask, be sure to follow the directions on the packaging. This will help you get the most out of the treatment and avoid any potential skin irritation. After you've removed the face mask, take a moment to moisturize your skin. This will help to seal in the benefits of the face mask and keep your skin looking and feeling its best. 3. Drink plenty of water and eat healthy foods to improve your skin from the inside out. If you want to know how to glow up in a month, one of the best things you can do is to improve your skin from the inside out by drinking plenty of water and eating healthy foods. Water is essential for healthy skin, as it helps to keep it hydrated and plump. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water a day will help to flush out toxins and give your skin a healthy glow. Eating healthy foods is also important for skin health. Foods that are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can help to protect your skin from damage and keep it looking its best. Include plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats in your diet to give your skin the nutrients it needs. Exercise is also good for your skin, as it increases blood flow and helps to deliver oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Taking care of your skin from the inside out will help you to achieve a healthy, glowing complexion. 4. Get enough sleep and reduce stress to help your skin look its best. If you want to glow up in a month, one of the key things you can do is to make sure you're getting enough sleep and keeping stress levels down. Both of these things can have a big impact on the look and feel of your skin. When you don't get enough sleep, it can show on your skin. You may get dark circles under your eyes, or your skin may look dull and tired. Getting enough sleep is important for your overall health and can help your skin look its best. Stress can also take a toll on your skin. When you're stressed, your body produces hormones that can lead to breakouts and other skin problems. Additionally, stress can make existing skin problems worse. If you want to glow up in a month, it's important to find ways to reduce stress in your life. There are a few different ways you can reduce stress and get better sleep. Exercise is a great way to reduce stress and improve your sleep. Meditation and relaxation techniques can also be helpful. If you're having trouble sleeping, there are a few things you can try to help you sleep better, such as avoiding caffeine before bed and establishing a regular sleep schedule. Making sure you get enough sleep and reduce stress are both important for helping your skin look its best. If you can do both of these things, you'll be on your way to glowing up in no time. 5. Use topical products containing ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and retinol to help improve your skin's appearance. If you want to glow up in a month, you need to start using topical products containing ingredients like vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and retinol. These ingredients will help improve your skin's appearance by making it look more radiant and youthful. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. It can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Hyaluronic acid is a substance that naturally occurs in your skin. It helps keep your skin hydrated and plump. Retinol is a form of vitamin A that can help improve the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sun damage. To use these ingredients, you can either find products that contain them or you can make your own DIY skincare products. If you want to make your own topical products, you can start by mixing together ingredients like aloe vera gel, jojoba oil, and vitamin C serum. You can apply this mixture to your face every night before bed. Another way to use these ingredients is to find a skincare product that already contains them. There are many different skincare products on the market that contain these ingredients. You can find them at most beauty stores or online. No matter what route you decide to go, make sure you are using products that contain these ingredients if you want to glow up in a month. There are many things you can do to help you glow up in a month. Try to get enough sleep, exercise regularly, eat healthy foods, and drink plenty of water. These lifestyle changes can help improve your skin, hair, and nails. In addition, try using some beauty products that can help you look your best. With a little effort, you can definitely see a difference in your appearance in just a month. If you like this video, tap the subscribe button and bell icon for more latest video.